Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove cell border color in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then you can open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I remove these cell borders colors on Excel. At first you have to select these all borders, drag on your mouse, then right click on this border, then go to a format cell option, then click this color drop down menu, then choose black color, then press, then click this borders lines, then press OK. Now you can see I remove cell border color in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.